Okay, yes guys, welcome back with another video. Guys, today we got a new video, and the video I'm going to teach you how can I add the end screen in my video. Please if you're new for our channel, please subscribe, like and comment. And how are you going to add a card on your video? Do you know the importance of all those things I'm talking? They are very important for you. Once you start doing that, because it's going to make YouTube to realize what your YouTube doing. So this I'm going to teach you is going to help you, your subscribers, to stay on your channel for a long time. That how it's going to make your channel to improve, to get more subscribers, more watching time. Normally, if you look these big YouTubers, what they are doing, the big YouTubers, they just go through what I'm going to show you. They add their video end screen, they add their video cards, they add description, they add title. That's what big YouTubers are doing. So if you're small YouTubers and you can't do all those things, so stay with me, and please if you are new for our channel, please subscribe, like and comment. Okay, thank you. Let us start our video, guys. Okay, if you're using your phone, you have to download YouTube Studio. So that YouTube Studio is going to help you. And if you are using a computer or laptop, anything you are using, then let us start it. When your YouTube appear like this, then you know, okay, when you see your YouTube appear like this on the screen, you go to the top, then you have already uploaded your video. If you are using phone or you are using laptop window, when you're here on your picture, you click. So I'm going to show you through to the computer. So you click here, you go to YouTube, like your viewers channel. So you go to the channel, but if you use YouTube Studio, you go to YouTube Studio. So let us go YouTube Studio together. We go to the YouTube Studio. When we go to the YouTube Studio, on here you see this is my biggest channel, so my other channel. I'm showing you through to my other channel. So when you came here, you go here to the content, you click to the content. When you click to the content, like this video have already been published, then you click on the video, then you go your right hand side, this side, this is the video, I mean the right hand side. When you came here, you scroll down, you see public. Yeah, here is where you can public and private, so we are not going to do that. Our job today is how you are going to add what is called in the end screen. So we don't have any job with this one, so Mr. Public, we are sorry for that today. But is say public or private. If you want, you make private like this. If it's public, you make public. But our job is not making public or private. So leave the way it is. Then if you have already made public, then you came here to the subtitle. This subtitle is helping you the viewers to read what your video talking about. Maybe you can change it in any language you speak, French, Spanish, Arabic, any other language that you speak, even Swahili, whatever you are speaking. Then you click here. When I click here, you see that as long as mine is just only English, I just use English to English because I love to speak English, that's it. So but you can change any type of language you want. So this is the language. So when I say subtitle, I click this one, I take this language. You're gonna pop up on my video, add that subtitle, then you go done. After done, you finish on this one, then you came again to the bottom. Here is where you can add the end screen. If you don't know what end screen is, I'm going to show you. End screen, when you click your video like this, you are going to see the video is here. This video doesn't have any end screen. So you are going to add the end screen. These are end screen. So you're going to check, you can add 2 end screen like this. If you want, you can add 4. Like I want to make 3 end screen, you can do like this. Then I select video or playlist. It just asks you, do you want video or playlist? Then I make 3 end screen. So if you don't want 3, maybe you need 4, then you go back again, then you click again, you select it. It just asks you, do you need playlist, a channel, or a video? Like you can do whatever you want. You can add even channel. You search like what channel you want. For example, I want to add any channel, like my other channel, like Ali Bolton. That is my other channel, Ali Bolton TV. So on this one, if you want to add your channel, you can add your channel. This one, you see my Ali Bolton TV pop up like this is there. So this is Ali Bolton, this is Ali Bolton, same. So if you don't want, you go here to the delete. I cancel, I take off that one, I don't need it. Again, I will continue doing another thing, so I don't need to add a channel, but I want to add videos. I go again, I click here to the video, then I say video. It just asks you what type of video you want. I'll select any video I want, like Pacific video I want, like blah blah blah. I go to this one, I say I need this video. You see that video straight away pop up here, so it's here anytime. Then I go to save. This how you are going to save. To the bottom here is card. You can add card. You click to the card. When you go to the card, there was not any card. It will be like something is just showing on the video when you are watching. I will show you an example. When you are watching someone video, you see like something right here, channel this and this and this last video. So that is card. So card, you can click again. I want to add this card. I click this one. You see on the top here, it just right. You see that is card. Then I don't want to be here. I want to make on the middle. I will scroll like this. Then I will go here again. I want to another one. Then I come here. Then I click the same plus sign of the card. Then I select a video or playlist or channel, the same like the way we did the end screen. I click this one. Then I click again the video. You just click here. You see this one. Then after that you save. So okay, you see these are end screen. This you see on the screen here, these are the end screen. You see this video on my channel. This what is calling end screen. So if anyone click this one, it goes straight away to the channel. You can get subscribed. If you click this one, it goes straight away to the video. If you click this one, going to this video. Click this one, is going to the video. That's the importance of adding end screen. Okay. The other thing is playlist. Let us go back to the playlist. Playlist is you go to your YouTube again, same like before. Where is my YouTube? Let me go back. No, this one. Okay, so when you go on here your YouTube, you go back to the channel. So to the channel, when you are like somewhere here, you're going to check how can I add my video on playlist. I tried to show you like last video. You can check, guys. If you go my channel or my description, you're going to see that video, how to add a playlist. Then you came on playlist here. If you go already playlist, yes. If you don't have playlist, you go here to this create. When you go to the create, or sorry, you go here on playlist. When you go to the playlist, you don't need to be here. You go straight away to the video money. So when you go to video money, after going to the video money, then there was here, you say video, short, live, post, playlist, podcast, and a promotion. Then you click here